My name is Lerchbaumer. I work as a sound and media artist, and I'm here now in Open Space, invited by Magic Carpet to join this residency. The installation will be consisting out of collected speakers here in Innsbruck that have an inscribed history through the places that use them or through the spaces where they have been standing for a while and traveled through the city. And now I want to give them visibility and create a new presentation through combining it with wood carved objects, where I work together with a wood carving woman next to my village that is collaborating with me and creating pillars and decorative things to give them a new presentation. Installation will then be consisting out of noises that we try to minimize or exclude from our hearing. So either it is the crackling out of the speakers that have all this history, or I try to collect also sounds from spaces where they land in the end and will be recycled. These parts together will be shown in the Foyer of the Heart of Noise, beginning of September 2021. Magic Carpet, Open Space at Heart of Noise.